Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup of your Outlook mail. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails and folders. This ensures everything is ready before you begin the restoration process. Now that your email has fully loaded, look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs up there, and you need to click on the one labeled File. This tab is your gateway to accessing import and export features in Outlook. Once the File menu opens, you'll notice several options listed on the left side. Look for the option that says Open and Export and click on it. This will reveal a new set of choices related to importing and exporting data. From these options, click on Import/Export. This action opens the Import and Export wizard window, which is the tool you'll use to restore your backup. In the wizard window that appears, you'll see a list of actions you can perform. Click on Import from another program or file, then click Next to proceed. This tells Outlook that you want to bring data back into the application rather than export it. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to select a file type. Choose Outlook datafile.pst since PST files are the standard format for Outlook backups. Click Next again to continue. Now you're at the File to Import step. This is where you tell Outlook exactly which backup file you want to restore. Click on the Browse button and a File Explorer window will open up. Navigate through your folders to locate the backup file you wish to restore. Once you've found it, select it and click Open. This brings you back to the wizard with your selected file now displayed. At this point, you'll see a preview of the Outlook data file along with its contents, which may include emails, folders, calendars, and other items. Below this, you'll notice a drop-down selector. Click on it and choose which email account you want to restore this backup file to. This is important if you have multiple accounts set up in Outlook, as it determines where your restored data will appear. Once you've selected the correct email account, click Finish. Outlook will now begin restoring your backup file under the chosen account. Depending on the size of your backup, this might take a few moments, so just let the process complete. And that's it, your Outlook Mail backup has been successfully restored with all your emails and folders back in place. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.